All right, the easiest way that I talk about Live Good from a product perspective and being an affiliate, being a member and all these other little categories that we can all talk about when it pertains to Live Good, this is how I do it. Okay, first of all, I wear a lot of yellow. And I usually have a drink in my hand and I say cheers when it's afternoon. Okay, besides that, okay, I want you guys to just relax and let's just talk for a few minutes. I'm just going to share my screen and I want you to click and go to my link. And if you're not in Live Good, this will definitely give you a nice idea and kind of a 50-foot overview about what Live Good is. And if you join, then obviously you can go in the back office, tear it up, and ask questions, email, and I mean, there's just thousands of videos and websites that can explain what Live Good is about. And if you want to join as a member, you just got to find someone that maybe you relate to or you like. That's me. Okay? Don't you want me to come over and hang out and I'll help you vacuum? Maybe make some Cheerios for lunch? I know how to cook. Well, I know how to pour milk in a bowl. Okay, now, this is what I do. To sum up everything and to put it all in just one thing, it's in this right here, joincory.com. When you click this link, okay, you're going to go to a capture page, and everybody wants me to show them what it looks like, okay? So let's just do it. So you go to joincory.com. I bought that at GoDaddy for like 11 bucks. Okay. Then for free, I told them to forward my domain name to that link up there. See on the top left of my screen, livegoodtour.com/Cory J. Draper. Now that is my username. Okay. So this is the Live Good. We just call it the power line landing page or the capture page. Most people like to call it like a capture page because hopefully if you watch this video in the middle, this YouTube video, you'll want to come aboard. Okay. You'll put your name and your email here. And click this button, and then you'll get a Live Good email. Open it up and join. Or if you just want more information, Live Good will send you a nice message once a day for 30 days, unless you want to opt out. Okay? But seriously, see this little YouTube video? Guys, it's 5 minutes and 55 seconds. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He talks about the products, the opportunity, everything. I've signed up well over 400 people just by passing the buck to Ben and people watching this video. And they're either in or out. You're going to just say, hey, you know what? I like the products. I'm going to buy them. Or if I want to be a member for 10 bucks a month, I want to save money and get them wholesale. And then if you have 40 bucks one time, you'll just say, screw it. Why not just make some extra money? Even if you can make 50 to 100, why not spend that on these products that you can kind of see on my mini fridge right here? Super Red, Super Greens, amino acid, fruit punch. I love E3. I'm an energy guy. Can you tell I have ADD and I talk a lot? I have been this way since second grade. Ask my mom. Okay. So go to the products tab. I'm going to show you it real quick. I'm going to do this in, I don't know, let's just take 2 or 3 minutes in case you're lazy and you want me to just kind of grab you by the hand and show you what to do. Okay. Now on your screen, you can see this is the Live Good website you're going to have. Now, if you join for $49.95 or if you have 100 bucks, just join and get 12 months for the price of 10. Or you can just go to livegood.com and figure it out. But go to the products tab, okay? And look at all the products we have. That's all. See that? Hit every single little button. See the little white button there? It says Learn More. It'll tell you the wholesale price, the retail price, and the ingredients and how to use them. Even competition. How much our competition sells their products for. Now, also go to the FAQ. There's a lot of questions people have each week. And a lot of it has to do with the things right here. Okay, when do we get paid? Okay, how am I paid? The membership, okay? How is my membership billed? Okay, just go through all these things. All right, check it out. There's plenty of questions. Just take your time. Take 20, 30 minutes and just go through every one of them, okay? This is one of the most important things I beg everyone to do. Don't try to talk about the compensation plan. Number one, it's boring. And number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, you're going to screw it up and mess it up, bore everyone to death. Don't do that. Just have you go to the pay plan link. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Okay. This is what it looks like. It'll say affiliate right there in green. Scroll through and you can see there's 7 ways we get paid. read about it, or do what I do. Just go to the bottom, say hi to that pretty girl right there, and watch this YouTube video produced by LiveGood. It goes through the whole comp plan. Just sit and watch it 2 or 3 times, and then if you join me, I'm going to beg you to please have everyone that is interested in signing up and they want to know how we get paid, just go to that link. See off to the left of my screen, it says pay plan. Affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Depends how big your screen is. It cuts the word affiliate off if your screen's smaller. Okay, just click it. Watch this video. And be sure to say hi to that pretty girl right there. And tell her I said hi too. Okay, so what do? Joincory.com. I buy business cards for like $20 on Vistaprint. Okay? I got a big old box for $20. Guys, I only hand them out once in a while. On a street level, if you and I met in Salt Lake City or I'm in your neck of the woods, if we're going to talk business, I'm just going to hand you my business card. Here's one right here. I'm just going to give you this card. It says joincory.com. And I'm not going to talk about LiveGood anymore. Because whatever I tell you about, you're going to zone out and get bored. We're not going to talk about the comp plan. The products are awesome, but I have a 2-year head start on you. I know how cool this opportunity is. I know that you can definitely earn some of this. And I know the products are amazing. You got 3 months, 90 days to take any of the products, put them in your guts. Even if the container is empty. All right, see all those white little containers on my mini fridge? If I pour all the super reds, super greens, amino punch, and looks like I got the orgasmic coffee there. If I just pour all those ingredients out and I send the product containers back within 90 days, I get a full refund on all 4 of those products. I think you can see on the camera there's 4 of them there. Okay, guys? Even CBD oil, the CBD oil, put it under your tongue. We have 750, 1,500 milligram. Guys, it's like $14. In the store, it's like $50 to $90. All right? I like to shake it up. All right, put it under my tongue. All right, put it on my nipples. Whatever. CBD oil. Okay, check it out, man. And if you don't like it, you think it sucks, get your money back. You don't need a receipt because when you purchase stuff with LiveGood, we already have your debit, credit card, or we even have cryptocurrency, believe it or not. Isn't that cool? Okay, so go to the FAQ section, please. Go to the pay plan link and just see how we get paid, because you don't buy products and earn commissions with us. You just don't. Zap, boom. You want our products to put on your shelf at your gym to resell? Good. You want to buy our products just normal price? Go to livegood.com. You don't have to be a member or an affiliate. If you want to save money, be a member for $10 a month. Okay? Or do what I do. I'm going to buy the products no matter what. So I paid $40, and you know what? I make way more than what I spend on LiveGood products each month. So it's like I get them free. Okay? We ship out of Jupiter, Florida. We're setting up distribution centers worldwide because we're almost at 2 million members and affiliates now. Distribution centers in Canada. Here in America, we have 3 full-size buildings now in Jupiter, Florida. I know over in Nigeria, Africa, UK, obviously China. We're all over Asia right now. My biggest downline is in Pakistan. Isn't that crazy? I didn't know that I'd be almost 60 years old and have friends all over the world at this point in my life. Normally, you get less friends. All right? In this case, I'm getting more friends every darn week. All right? So, how am I successful in LiveGood? Well, number 1, video. I like to do a video like this where I just chat for 5 to 10 minutes. But if you don't want to, there's plenty of videos, especially in the LiveGood back office, you can use, upload, and use them in an email. All right? Maybe on a street level, you can just say, hey, guys, go to joincory.com. Watch the video. That video's waiting for you. Guys, I've signed up 400 people doing exactly what I just did. Guys, go to joincory.com. I'm done. Because I have to build Legos. All right? Gosh darn it, I have to buy and build Legos. All right, that's my passion. I love doing that. Okay, so anyway, if you need some questions answered, you can always get a hold of me, Cory at corydraper.com. Okay, I've had my email for a long time. You can also find me on Facebook. Just go to the inbox. All right, and if you're on my YouTube channel, anywhere below any of my videos, I can see the comments. All right, if you post a question, it just emails me your question. Okay, I'm not shy. All right. I know this company pretty darn good. All right. And I'll tell you what, the ownership's awesome. Products are great. The guarantee is great. Has a good name. And I'm very happy. I'll tell you, I've been doing this a couple of years, and that's period. I'm not an affiliate marketing guru from 5 to 10 years ago. Okay. I don't jump ship and do all these opportunities. Okay. I do a few things that enhance my income with this company. All right. It's like putting gas on a fire. I'm very good at this point. And everything I do, I just email you exactly what I do. And if you want to do things that I do, great. If not, guys, you got $49.95. All right. You want to get 2 months free? Just do $99.95. You got $100? Get 12 for the price of 10. It's up to you. I don't make any more or less. It's just up to you guys, okay? All right, well, that's it. If you don't mind, I'm going to show you my little business card one last time. Let me just pop it up, and I want to say hi to that pretty girl there right on the middle of my screen. All right, I don't even know her name, and she probably doesn't want me to, because I'd probably try to find her on Facebook and say hello. Okay, guys, that's enough out of me. All right, I'm going to go have me a sandwich. I'm kind of hungry right now. So, hey, thanks for your time. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you have a good day. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.